Okay, everything, let's clarify the situation. There has been a humming expectation that XRP will achieve a monumental milestone since day one. $10,000 was not only a possibility but also a given and an estimate. That forecast just received a massive boost. We are discussing none other than Larry Fink of BlackRock lending his support to this image, and he's not only referring to the pitiful $10,000 per XRP. Whoa, he's making it sound like a basic must. Before delving deeper into today's material, let us briefly discuss the base. I require a tiny favor. To join our incredible community, simply click the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Hold on, it gets better. Imagine titans of finance like BlackRock and Vanguard, titans of finance, now seriously considering XRP for their international transactions. There are murmurs regarding BlackRock releasing an ETF with an XRP focus. Yes, you heard correctly, but there's more. Hold on. That wasn't where Larry Fink stopped. He continued by examining the $30 trillion real estate market, and you can probably predict what lies at the core of its future. The entire system may be tokenized on the XRP ledger thanks to the astounding 1.2 quadrillion worldwide swaps and traders provided by the ISDA. The association is configured to go via the XRP. We're not just talking about $110,000 per XRP here, Ledger and Ripple, that's children's play. We could be looking at a value explosion of up to $60,000. Let's jump right into the following section. Think Inc. Larry BlackRock unleashed yet another explosive. He's not just speaking, he's acting as though Ripple and its digital asset, XRP, are about to do something very significant. Tokenizing every aspect, and in the following, we have a clip that is a component of our video. That will draw attention. We won't have to wait much longer because Larry seems to be confirming BlackRock's approach toward an XRP ETF. Here's the clip you've been waiting for. A good way to legitimize it and increase safety is to wait for the release of the Bitcoin ETF. Let's hope that you engage in more ETF trading. XRP ETF, how about it? You have Ether out there, I know that. Could you answer that regarding XRP? You don't want me to, and I can't. Yes, I do. Cannot all be in harmony. Give me the RP, please. I'm grateful. We've seen a swirl of abnormalities in the cryptocurrency world in recent days, especially with this XRP image on the well-known exchange Crypto.com, whose value surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It fits into a larger pattern of XRP's value unexpectedly rising. Recall how just last week, we talked about a $7,000 XRP problem at a major exchange. Now, it's Crypto.com's time, and it appears that these abrupt increases in XRP's value are starting to happen frequently on several exchanges. However, let's shift our focus entirely to something else, something I learned through extensive research that is equally fascinating and unrelated to BlackRock or the recent surge in the XRP market. We're going to talk about Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. As the majority of you are probably aware, Gensler constantly rates XRP as a security. This is the interesting part. There is an identical twin to Gary Gensler. Robert M. Gensler, brother, who is identical in age and strikingly similar as vice president of T. Price, Robert plays a significant role in the company. A closer look reveals that T.R. Price isn't just any investment company, rather, it's one of the leading ones. Investing a lot of money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. Given that Gary Gensler is in charge of the SEC, it's interesting that XRP is still classified as a security. His brother-in-law is heavily invested in an investing company that holds a sizable position in XRP. It's an intriguing jutsu among other cryptocurrencies that poses several queries on the complex dynamics at work in the realm of cryptocurrency laws and investments. This raises the exciting prospect that potentially Vice President of TR Price Robert Gentler has unique knowledge regarding XRP's potential to be comparable to Bitcoin when you take into account the company's significant holdings in these three cryptocurrencies. While the SEC openly refutes any suggestion of insider trading, this theory begins to take hold. Several studies and papers have indicated differently. These studies, which center on insider trading and market manipulation, have frequently highlighted dubious SEC operations. It seems that a trend is emerging. SEC officials appear to be informing their family members about which digital assets could soon be freed from classification as securities. These relatives then make early investments in these assets, and when the asset is formally deemed to be not a security, its value soars, enabling these friends and family members to profit handsomely from buying low and selling high in this situation. Let's examine the probability that Robert and Gentler had inside information about the SEC's possible defeat in a lawsuit against XRP from his brother Gary Gentler. Such information might suggest that a settlement could be pushed for by Congress. Between the SEC and Ripple Labs, now is the perfect time for astute investors to purchase XRP, but as the price of the cryptocurrency increases, money is being directed toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and, most importantly, XRP, adding another chapter to this story. The cryptocurrency community is abuzz with talk of XRP possibly rising to $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, especially from analysts who have been bullish on the asset, such as Jack the Ripper forecasts a sharp increase in value that could eclipse $589. Despite being audacious, this forecast highlights the increased interest and conjecture surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency space. Wall Street is vying for a piece of the profitable XRP pie, and based on my intuition, the first significant move will come through an XRP ETF. However, let's delve deeper into this development. We have some fascinating news from Crypt Basics. The revelation from an analyst that JP Morgan has made a big move into XRP has caught the interest of a former Ripple director. This revelation made me wonder, and it's something we need to investigate more. The narrative proceeds as follows. An influential person in the cryptocurrency space, Ben Armstrong, was formerly connected to the BitBoy crypto brand, which sparked a backlash over allegations that JP Morgan had invested in XRP. Armstrong, an ex-director of Ripple, made this revelation in a series of posts. He asserts that JP Morgan currently owns a sizable 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong continues by stating that this transaction represented around 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall fortune, but to put it in perspective, the calculation looks wildly incorrect. 7.5 million XRP, valued at 4.46 million currently, is not even close to representing 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth, given that JP Morgan's total assets, as of the 2023 valuation, total a staggering $3.89 trillion. Despite his emphasis, Armstrong's calculation doesn't exactly add up. The significance of JP Morgan's alleged plan, which, in his opinion, suggests that they have been quietly hoarding XRP, establishes JP Morgan as a rising powerhouse in the cryptocurrency space. Thus, we have a Wall Street story. Titans like JP Morgan may be moving into the cryptocurrency space, particularly with XRP. Although the math may not add up to 100%, it's still worth considering that big banks may be considering becoming involved in the space. With XRP at the heart of some intriguing occurrences, it signals a bigger trend of traditional finance colliding with the digital currency field. Armstrong's audacious remarks have also brought attention to BlackRock. The giant of asset management is heating things with assertions that BlackRock has just received shareholder approval. Armstrong didn't stop there. He's also enlarging, as the Bitcoin ETF is currently considering XRP for its investment portfolio. The fact that these financial behemoths are investing in XRP despite the ongoing legal drama between Ripple and the US SEC suggests a strong conviction in XRP's bright future. Consider if it is true that accumulation is on the rise. Would imply that major financial players are placing bets on XRP amid its turbulent regulatory environment. Folks, here's the thing, Wall Street's adoption of cryptocurrency was always imminent. I've been discussing this for more than 5 years. And at the time it seemed like a distant dream, but now look at us with Bitcoin leading the way. Believing that XRP won't follow suit, I'd have to politely disagree. It's not a matter of whether or not, but in any case, the particular scenario Armstrong is illustrating may not be the entire picture, so understand the story thickens in response to the bombshell claims made by Armstrong. Former Ripple director Matt Hamilton added a healthy dose of cynicism, questioning the validity of such a transaction as well as the potential effects on XRP. Hamilton pulls out the calculator to check if we're talking about 7.5 million XRP, considering the token's enormous supply. Considering that there are 100 billion XRP in circulation, this means that we are only looking at 0.0075%. In response to Armstrong's assertions that it's a cheesy homage to the frequently surreal nature of Armstrong's pronouncements, implying you'd practically need a satirical lens to make sense of it all, Hamilton even joked, "I guess this is a parody account." Since the math speaks for itself, let's examine it in more detail. Hamilton was spot on with the numbers, highlighting the blatant errors in the initial assertion. Though it's obvious as day that the numbers don't add up, this made me pause. Where did this bizarre tale even start? Folks, I've done my research and found the treasure. I've located the source, and it's a biggie, so there you have it in the convoluted and frequently unclear realm of cryptocurrency. It's important to maintain your composure when reporting, and as always, I can help. You move across these turbulent waves with the actual details. Please keep in mind that the content in these videos is only meant for your amusement. I am not a professional financial advisor. I constantly advise people to do independent studies and speak with experts before making any financial choices. Thank you very much for watching. If you found the video entertaining, please click the like button. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and enable the alerts to be the first to know when new content is posted. I'm eager to see you in the next video when I reveal fresh content, so please take care.